Hi, this is Cool PC Doc. Got a new Lego Creators Kit 3-in-1 um from Amazon today. And by the way, Happy New Year to all my illustrious viewers. Thank you for supporting my YouTube channel. Hey, if you like this video, come check me out on my Twitch channel. I'm gonna start doing some Lego design builds on the designer program in the future on my Twitch channel and some YouTube videos of it. But for the few up and coming future here, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be doing builds of this 3-in-1 Lego kit. There's 3 different scenarios, things that you can build out of it. So let's dive on in. All right, let's dive on in. Let's get to my main game. There we are. All right. So here we have our Lego Creator 3-in-1. It's kit number 31091. Shuttle transport, 341 pieces, 3-in-1. So you get the truck, trailer, and space shuttle. You can also build a smaller truck with a helicopter, and you can build a small SUV with a camper. So very cool stuff. We're going to dive on in. We're going to unbox this. I've already cut the seals on this box. So we're going to pull out where we start. The manual. This is the Creator 3-in-1 manual for this kit. It looks like it's a pretty thick book, so it's going to be a interesting build. We're going to lay this down here on my table, down at the bottom, kind of curled. Then we've got a bag of parts. First bag of parts, lots of little itty bitty pieces in there. The next thing we have is a smaller bag of parts. And here we have bigger bag of parts with a lot of your base plates and things of that nature. So we've got multiple pieces of parts, and this is the Lego Creator 3-in-1 unboxing. I hope you would like this video, and I hope you enjoy watching it. Let me know what you think. We're going to do a build. We're going to start out with, let me find the actual booklet here. We're actually going to start out with the smallest kit first. It's looks like an SUV with a camper. We're going to build that set first on my first video. Then we're going to build the truck, bigger truck with the helicopter as the second build. And then we're going to end it with building the semi-truck, trailer, and the space shuttle, the main event. So we saved the best for last. Why? We want you to keep coming back. We want you to check out all of our videos, and we ask that you, if you like the content, please hit the like, hit the follow, so that you can get notified, and hit the little bell so that you can be notified when I post new videos. It helps me out as a creator. It helps my community out. And if you like the content here, come check me out on Twitch TV. It's https://www.twitch.tv/coolpcdoc. Check me out doing live gaming. I play American Truck Simulator. I play train model railroading simulation. I do other simulators. I got a new game that I'm going to feature, Hot Wheels. So come check that out. And I'm also going to do I'm going to try And I'm going to try and change the venue around a little bit. I'm going to do some designing on, what is this program? Studio 2 for Lego. Eventually I want to be I want to submitting some designs to the community. Hopefully they'll select some of my designs to eventually build some kits. That would be kind of fun to get my own stuff actually put into kits. So we've got lots of things to look forward to in the up and coming new year. And by the way, Happy New Year to everybody who's watching this. It's probably, by the time you see this video, it will be New Year's Day. Or it's probably already New Year's Day somewhere in the United States or in the world. So, yeah, come check us out. Woo! And this is Cool PC Doc saying Happy New Year.